Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry. Start with the core principles. Focus on understanding the fundamental concepts like atomic structure and chemical bonding. Don't just memorize. Strive to grasp the why behind each reaction and property. Regular practice with balancing equations is crucial for building a strong base. This approach will make complex topics much easier to tackle later on. Chemistry involves a lot of problem solving. Dedicate time to working through numerical problems from every chapter. Don't skip the solved examples. They often provide key insights into applying formulas and concepts. For organic chemistry, actively writing out reaction mechanisms and practicing name reactions will solidify your understanding and recall. Consistent practice is key to success. Effective revision is vital. Condense your study material into short, easy-to-review notes and flashcards. Don't limit yourself to just one textbook. Explore different reference books and reputable online resources for varied explanations. Make sure to schedule regular revision sessions for older topics to keep them fresh in your mind and prevent forgetting. To excel in your exams, practice with previous year's question papers, simulating exam conditions. This helps manage time and understand question patterns. Identify your challenging areas and allocate extra study time to strengthen them. Remember, consistent effort leads to great results. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.